Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You tuned in to Living Modestly Naturally. Hi, I'm Rachel Harris. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. And to all my new and returning subscribers, I want to say thank you so much for the support on this channel. In this video, I will be making a body spray, okay, with just simple ingredients. You two will be making a wonderful body spray, okay, that is safe with simple ingredients, and also a preservative too. Yes, this recipe calls for a preservative, but don't worry, it's a natural preservative. So to get started, you need your fragrance combo blend. So this is the fragrance blend I made. I have a separate video showing you how to make this fragrance blend. Please check the description box down below and check out, if you haven't already, check out that video on my channel. It shows you how to make it. And then you'll need distilled water. I have distilled water in this bottle here. And then you'll need vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is a nice additive to the body spray. Since it's gonna go on the skin, it's very versatile. And then the preservative. The preservative I'll be using is called Optifin. Okay, it's a natural preservative, 100% natural. It's paraben free, formaldehyde free. It has no pH restriction, and the recommended usage is 0.5 to 1.5%. So we won't be using this too much of it, just a little bit. It goes a long way. Next, for tools, you need a glass measuring cup. Okay, I have an 8-ounce glass measuring cup. And then you need your bottle, the spray bottle. The amount I'm making today is going to be 8 ounces worth. You get a spray bottle right there. And then this is optional here. This is a stick blender, a mini stick blender. It's optional. You don't have to use this. If you have a stirrer, like I have 2 glass stirrers here. 2 glass stirrers. So just stir, and then pipettes or pipettes. I have 2 of these. These are for when I'm adding the ingredients. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started with the mixing. So first step, I'm going to take your glass cup, measuring cup. I'm going to start with the distilled water. Okay. Now we've come to the point where we're going to add the natural preservative. Okay, again, as I mentioned before, this is Optifin. It's an all-natural preservative, and this is an 8-ounce container, so we're only going to use just 2 drops. Okay, no more than 2 drops. It doesn't require a whole lot. Just gonna put 2 drops in this mixture, and that's it. Here we go. 1 and 2. That's it. Okay. And then set this down. Then we're going to use the stirrer, because when you're mixing the preservative, the ingredient, the instructions say you must stir slowly into the liquids, and it's supposed to be, the temperature should be below 140. And I know you can notice that the oil is separate from the water. In my mixture this time, I personally don't mind that. But if you do mind it, you would have to use an emulsifying agent to help with that. Everything is mixed in well, and so going to got my bottle here. I'm so excited. Alright, just gonna pour. I don't think I'm missing my funnel. I don't know where I placed it. Hopefully I can pour in it. I can pour it into this carefully, because there's always something spilling. Never. Oh gosh. Alright, let's go in. Alright, yay, I did it. I did it. I had a little spill, probably a little drip there, but much better. Because usually I'm always doing something. Alright. Now we're gonna do a little shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. I got to mix it. And then we're gonna spray. Let's see. I hope it's, oh wait. I gotta turn it. Okay, this side. Smell it, oh my gosh. Wow, yes. Yes, yes, guys, oh my. You have to try this. It's nice. Wait, hold on a minute. Hold on. Gotta spray some more. Spray all over me. Alright. Oh yes, I love it. Okay, so please check out Rocky Mountain Oils. I will leave the link to the oils that I got from them in the description box below. All the details that you need from this video is going to be in the description box below. And if you purchase any of the Rocky Mountain items that I've mentioned in my previous videos and also in this video, please note that I am an affiliate with the company. They found our community, and I'm so happy to come on board, because you all know, if you've been watching my videos for a long time, I've been using essential oils from different companies for quite some time now. So the fact that I'm able to be an affiliate for a company, it just like for something that I actually use on this platform, I'm so excited. Like, you don't understand like how happy this makes me. And you know, it's just I just there's no words. I'm just really grateful. And so again, I do receive a portion of commissions, you know, with the sales that are made. So just putting it out there, you know, support your girl if you know, this will really, I really appreciate it. You know, every purchase, it helps me out too. And then I can be able to produce more on this platform as well, to bring more content to you all. So, you know, it helps. So thank you so much once again for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. I'm here, you know, and yes, and before I go, remember, aim for modesty, carry beauty naturally, and may Jesus Christ dwell in you. So I'll see you all in my next video. Later. Wait a minute, before you go, I almost forgot. So I wanted to show you all, like, when I'm doing another method that I like to use when I'm doing my DIYs is I will write down the name of the DIY, the amount of ounces, the ingredients here, and then the name of the fragrances that I'm using, or the essential oils, I should say, that I'm using, how many drops, and then the preservative I used here, I'll write, and also the nature green alcohol I also use for my fragrance combo. You'll see that video I have in my channel as well. And the vegetable glycerin. This is how I know, like, the measurements. So I basically use this chart here. This is just a template chart, and I use it to give me a rough estimate on how to divide up the ingredients. So I just take it as that. So you're looking at 100%, right? Take, for example, 100% of an ingredient, and you break it down into different different percentages. So in this case, I'm using an 8-ounce bottle, right? So 3% is the amount that you would need in combination of fragrance and preservative. So what I did here in my formulation, I used 2% fragrance, 1% preservative, okay? And 1% preservative, which is the highest, the up to amount that you can use for the preservative that I used anyway. So the 2%, so basically I do simple math, 2% of 8 ounce, then that gave me 0.96 tablespoons. I mean, sorry, teaspoons, excuse me, teaspoons, which is like, I would say in my mind is like half a teaspoon or just a little bit less than that. Don't beat your head up, you know, don't beat yourself over the head if you don't really get the full, like, exact measurement, you know. Try to be as accurate as possible. 100 drops is equivalent to 1 teaspoon. So if you know that 100 drops is equivalent to 1 teaspoon, okay, and this is a little bit less than 1 teaspoon, so you just say half. So half of 100 is 50. So this is where I wrote 40 drops lavender, 10 drops of the citrus passion, because the citrus passion is very strong. The scent, because it's a citrusy scent, it can be very empowering. So a little bit goes a long way. So that's why I just put 10 drops of that. And then I put 40 drops of lavender. Lavender is a softer scent, you know, so it requires a little bit more. So I did that. Now, the Optifin, 2 to 3 drops up to, but I just put 2 drops. You know, it's only an 8-ounce bottle. I'm not using a whole lot. I don't need a whole lot to put in there to preserve. And then the distilled water now makes up 80% of the 8 ounces, because I'm not using, like I did my the room spray that I did, I put a lot of alcohol, grain alcohol in it. This time I don't, as you can see, I didn't use alcohol in my my spray. Like, I didn't use so much, so now I just added more distilled water this time. So 80% of 8 ounces is 6.4 ounces. So that's how I got my formulation as far as how much to put in the bottle to make the body spray. And so, and also last but not least, the vegetable glycerin, if I didn't mention that, is 17% of the 8-ounce bottle, makes up 17%, and which is about 2.72 tablespoons. So there you have it. And again, once you do this, you know, it takes some time to figure it out, but it's easy, simple math. You know, it's nothing too complicated. But now I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in for more, and I'll see you in my next video. Later. For real now. Later.